Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma from Puronics here and welcome to this crafting tutorial video. So, the Cricut machine is amazing! You can make all sorts with it, right? So, you can put heat transfer vinyl on baby clothes or even adult clothes, any clothes really, just to personalize them, which I think is awesome. Also with heat transfer vinyl, you can custom design these little signs, which I think go great in a newborn's nursery. Custom design it with anything you like, anything. Hey, it doesn't stop there. You can also personalize a clutch bag, maybe put somebody's initials on there. I think that's a great gift idea. Along with personalization, personalize this book. Why not? Because you can do anything and everything with the Cricut machine, so why wouldn't you? You can also make custom stickers. I think that's a fantastic idea if you've got kids. Make them a personalised sticker. You can also make custom decals, which you can put on a range of surfaces. You can also put it on any type of wedding stationery. Cheers! Drinks! Yes, please. But today, we will be creating a design and putting it on this top. I think it's a few sizes too small for me, but hey, let's do it anyways. Alright guys, so what you are looking at here is the Cricut Design Space interface. It is here that you can create your custom designs before sending it to the Cricut machine to cut. There are a lot of different functions and features that are on here, but we'll make another tutorial on that another time. We'll be keeping it simple today. In fact, so simple that we will be using a stock image that we have purchased a license for through Creative Market. If you haven't checked out that website, I suggest you do, as there are thousands of cool things to purchase to enhance your design game. Now, first thing is first. We need to import this image into our design space. So, to do this, you need to select Upload here on the left-hand side and then select Upload Image. Once you have done that, you will need to find the image. Ours is saved onto our desktop. Once you have located it, select it. Depending on what format the image is saved as, you may need to remove the white background, which is easy enough as clicking on the unwanted areas when it prompts you to. If this is a PNG file, you won't need to worry about it, as that saves as a translucent background. The reason why we do this is because if we leave that background, the machine will cut around that square-shaped box and not the actual outline of the image that we want it to. Okay, so now that we have imported the image into our design space, we can upload it to our working space. Here we can readjust the sizing and add some text to really personalize it. I want to place the image in the middle of the top, so I don't want to make it too big. The working space is based on inches, so each one of these squares equals an inch. Yep, that seems about right. Okay, now let's add some text to it. The first thing that comes to my mind when I see this are the words, "Stay humble." So I'm going to add that and place it next to the hands. Now, one of my go-to fonts is DK Lemon Yellow Sun. I use it for a lot of my designs. There are so many sites where you can download fonts. You just have to make sure that if you are producing designs that you are intending on selling, chances are that you will need a license to use that font in the design. Just make sure you do your research and you should be safe. Okay, I'm happy with the way this is looking. Let's send it to the Cricut machine for cutting. The most important thing we need to always double check when we are creating heat transfers is to turn the mirror on. This little button flips the image so that when we transfer the design onto the top, it will be the right way around. This is only for heat transfers. If we were making decals with normal vinyl, we wouldn't need to do this. Now that we have done that, let's get the map prepped for the machine and then let the Cricut work its magic. Excellent. Now that it has cut the design, we need to remove the negative space with our handy dandy weeder, like so. To enable for the design to transfer onto the material, we need to use heat. This can be achieved by using either the Cricut Easy Press, which essentially is just one big hot plate, or you could do the same by using your iron. Easy as design, cut, heat, and boom! Possibilities are endless.